Okay, so today we're gonna play Fortnite. Today we're gonna be playing Minecraft, Java Edition, and I just got the demo right now, like a few days ago, and now we're just gonna go and I just collected some wood, opened the chest, and broke the chest, and broke the torches. You know how Java Edition works if you play it. And then now we're gonna break some more wood. We're gonna make a house and kill zombies, you know, that stuff that's what you do. Okay, I'm just gonna go to my action quick. Okay. Let's go break this tree. Okay, so we broke that one. Okay, I'm getting hungry, so I'm just gonna eat my apple because we already have to go to bed. Okay, that was pretty good. And now we got full health. And now we're going to craft a crafting table. That's why we're crafting more planks. So we're just gonna put these planks. Yeah, we put them in. We got quite a lot of planks. So now we're just gonna split that up. Get a crafting. Okay, we're just gonna leave that there. Crafting table and get out of here. Okay, now we got 34 wood, and we also got a crafting table. So let's put that in there. Let's also put it on the board. Okay, we got a crafting table.
Open it.
And now we're just gonna put it right over here. Yeah, there. And then now we're gonna craft maybe a wooden sword. Okay, we'll get iron sticks. Wooden sword, get that. Now we have 32 wood and go like that. And now let's sword right there. And now, one more thing to craft. Okay, so we got 8 kilo planks. And now we can actually make now we're gonna actually make a door with the crafting table. Okay, let's go in. Make a door. Is that how you make a door? Yeah, that's how you make a door. Okay, 1, 3. Okay, I'm using lots of wooden planks. I just need to, okay, we got that. I'm just gonna put that in a pile. So we have 26 wood, and we also have some sugar canes on the door, and 3 oak doors, so let's get to that. Let's break that. Maybe I should just use my axe. I use quite of my axe a lot, so it's gonna play me pretty good. A pretty short time. So wood isn't that so strong? Let's make, okay, now we're not gonna make like a back door stuff, so we're just gonna do it so. I know a better way to drop stuff. It is best cute. Why? Wait, why did I drop that bread? God. I almost got screwed. Yeah, part. Yep, see, I'm trying to do it. Okay, now we just need 1 planks, and now we're gonna go. Wait, you. Oh, okay. That was bad. These lost axes were just building. You see, I'm not good at building. Okay, that is just stupid. Okay, I'm just gonna make like a small house, not like so big, like bigger than the screen. Okay, it's nighttime, so maybe. No, the sheep. Let's go kill it. I need you right now. Give me you. Please. और हम क्या कह रहा था? क्या इंटरव्यू? See, now we're gonna fight this creeper. Oh, thanks for all the dirt, buddy. No, you just call me Stone, so great job. That's what I use. And that's what I always use. Oh, let's grab it. That's what I always use creepers for. Okay, let's drop that dirt. Wait, not another creeper. Just kidding, we're gonna kill it, and we're gonna always kill it. Oh, here that's my way for hiding. Up there. Oh! No. Where's my stuff? No, don't you dare put a potion on me. Okay, that was so bad. That was extra bad. Extra bad. Okay. Oh, okay, that was an extra bad video. So, I'm gonna go now. So I'm just gonna stop playing. Bye, guys. See you in the next video. Okay, that was the horriblest round ever. Just want to say, horriblest round ever. Okay, so bye, see you.